Greetings everyone, this is Elijah from Financial Anatomy, and this is the place where you'll learn how to take control of your financial destiny. On this channel we talk about apps that involve money and investing, and we're going to be talking about the Cash App, specifically how does a teen open an account on Cash App, because a lot of people think that you can't do so, but it now is possible via a family account. So we're going to start off by clicking on the Cash App, and then we're going to click on our picture icon in the top right hand corner. Once here, if you scroll down, you'll see family accounts. Click on family accounts. And from here, we're just gonna read. Invite a teen in your family. A new account can be set up in minutes and used immediately with your approval. This will come with a Cash App card and banking, as well as instant payments. We click on learn more. You'll see the details about the account. This account functions largely the same as a normal Cash App account, but there are some exceptions that will give parents peace of mind, such as the ability to look over transactions, turn on card controls, which means you can turn the card off or on as you please, ensure safe spending, and manage the whole family. Again, if you want the specific details of these functions, just click on the Learn More button. With that being said, we're going to back out of that and click on the Invite a Teen button. Once here, all you need to do is copy the message and text it or email it to the teen that you want to set up an account with. Just so you can see what this visually looks like, we're going to go in my notes section and show you. Cash App is now available for anyone 13 plus. Just download and request approval. And bam, a person can sign up with a Cash App account under you as a parent. As the message mentions, keep in mind that you do need to be 13 years or older in order to use this account. With that being said, that concludes this video. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe if you're new. And if you haven't signed up for Cash App and you have an interest in doing so, you can do so by following the tutorial outlined in this video. I'll catch you in the next video. Don't forget to get out there and take control of your financial destiny.